Everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be taking over on how to activate our Power Pivot on DAX Studio to our Excel tab. So firstly, you need to open a new workbook, which I've done. Click on File, click on Options, click on Add-ins. So below here you can see Manage, you can see a drop-down arrow. Click on it, you have several options there. We have Excel add-ins, Com add-ins, Actions, XML expansion packs, disabled items. So click on Com add-ins, click on Go, and tick Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Click on OK. So that is how to add Power Pivot tab to Excel. So I'll be taking us next on how to activate our DAX Studio to our Excel. Firstly, you need to download your DAX Studio, then install it. So you can download it from daxstudio.org. I'll actually drop the link in the comment section so you can just take it up from there. After downloading and installing it, then you open a new Excel workbook, click on File, click on Options, click on Add-ins. As we did for our Power Pivot before, click on drop-down arrow, click on Com add-ins, click on Go, then tick DAX Studio Excel add-ins, click on OK. So you notice that you can't find the DAX Studio on the Excel tab, but you can see add-ins. So click on add-ins and you can see your DAX Studio there. So what I want to do is to click on this DAX Studio and show you how the interface looks like. So on your DAX Studio, you can actually connect it with your Power BI, your Excel, on any tabular server that you have. So this is how the interface of a DAX Studio looks like. Okay. Now I want to show you another way to actually add your add-ins to your Excel tab. You can just click on Developer tab. Then click on Excel add-ins as it was before when we clicked on our File, then Options, then our add-ins. So you can just click on it here, Excel add-ins, or you can click on that Com add-ins that we had before. You would notice that the same thing as it were when we actually did it through our File, then Option, then add-ins. Okay, that will be all for this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. Bye.